quite a large number of bridges in Australia and overseas that are currently being monitored, and they are being assessed mostly visually. Because of the large numbers, this is a very slow process, and it doesn't really provide an adequate information. Equipments are necessary to assess the structures carefully and accurately.
So we have 4 equipments that we use. So the first one is a silversmith hammer. This one is to measure the compressive strength of the concrete. We will use this when we want to know exactly what is the strength of the structure, what is the capacity of the structure to take the current demand. Usually the demand over the years will be increased. The demand from the traffic, sometimes it will be increased, but the structure itself maybe stay the same or even deteriorate. The second is the profometer. This one is used for detecting the location of the rebar and measuring the diameter of the rebar and also the cover of the concrete. And the third one is to measure the electrical resistivity of the concrete cover. So this one, at the end, we will use this measurement to measure the corrosion rate of the reinforced concrete. The last one is to measure the air permeability. The name of the equipment is Torrent. So this equipment is used to measure the air permeability of the concrete cover, and it's used to measure the initiation time when the corrosion starts. So combining these two, we can get the total service life of the structure, the initiation time and the propagation time of the corrosion.
When you use the non-destructive testing equipment as a diagnostic tool, the data can be combined, which can be providing information that is more accurate about the structure, and they can also be used as a predictive tool for further assessment. According to a report by Infrastructure Australia, maintenance expenditure is about $6 billion. That report was produced in 2010. 4% of the reinforced concrete bridges are in poor or very poor conditions. 23% of the reinforced concrete bridges are in fair condition and need to be retrofitted. So in a way, by using this equipment, we can better assess the structures that are needing repair and those that are more vulnerable.